Hello, a very warm welcome to Manufacturing and Materials Week 2020 here at Cranfield University. You find us in the Aerospace Integrated Research Centre at Cranfield, an ideal place from which to begin our discussion. It will include lots of live debates, workshops, lectures, videos, all to help us think through some of the challenges that our industry faces in this most unusual of years. How can we move beyond the world of COVID and become a more productive, more competitive manufacturing industry in the UK? How are we going to master the challenge of decarbonising and getting down to that net zero ambition, certainly by the time of the government deadline, if not before? What are the technologies that we can harness to forge our way ahead, to boost our productivity? Crucially, how can we make sure that we can access the skills that we need to be able to apply those new technologies and get the best out of them for our businesses? Take a look at the event website to see what's coming up and to keep track of our on-demand content. Remember that you may need to register for some of the live events. If you have questions or points that you'd like to feed in, do get in touch. Go to Twitter, use the hashtag #ManufacturingWeek, or alternatively drop us an email to manufacturingweek@Cranfield. Be part of a discussion which will help us shape this industry for the future. We think there are some huge opportunities ahead. Let's seize them together. I look forward to seeing you later in the week.